It's not.
Come out.
Did you hear Abby?
He's not gonna come out.
John! John!
Yes. Okay, family, we're at Falling Waterfalls. Oh, you hit the camera with your head. Are you jumping, Abby, if the water's deep enough?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, probably.
I know, I totally am. We're gonna try to do flips. Family's trying to find spots to go potty right now. Hey, what you doing, Josh? Chasing some rabbits. What you doing, Dad? Exploring. We should jump off. Go for it, go, 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 go. 3, 2, 1.
I'm not gonna run.
You have to. You need to jump far out.
I'm more worried that it's gonna be cold. Why am I so scared? I'm being such a baby.
3, 2, 1. Cannonball! Proud of you.
Don't be proud of me.
Why?
It was easy.
Abby, come on.
Honey. No.
No?
That's dumb, baby. That's dumb, sweetheart.
Beautiful.
You're very
You
handsome.
just need the red hair, babe. Ow. My butt's on a rock and it hurts.
No. Wow, they really should make these rocks squishier.
I wonder what makes the water so blue. Is it the minerals in the water or is it the rocks?
I think I'm gonna swim. This looks like a swimming hole. I need my swim fins.
Dad, where your floaties at?
My floaties are getting cold. Did you get that on camera?
Where's the snake at?
It's big. Get over here, Matt. Over here. Oh, it's moving.
Go slow.
So go under the rock, under the Dr. Pepper.
If he bites me, will I be really hurt?
Yes, you could die.
Really?
Yes.
What's that like?
John, stop it.
It's not.
Come out.
Did you hear Abby?
He's not gonna come out.
John! John!
Dad, I see him
John!
right there.
Why are you doing that?
I see him.
John!
If he drinks that Dr. Pepper, I'm gonna be so
John,
mad.
did you hear Abby? What she said?
What'd you say, Abby?
She said to be fun. Stop doing
I
that.
see him. I see him.
John!
He's fine.
John, please stop.
It's not the safety.
There
It's
he
just the.
John, please stop. Why are you making us crazy?
Well, we're here at Pedestal Rock. Go! It's a really beautiful outlook of the Ozark National Forest.
Simba.
Oh, the land where the sun reaches.
Remember.
Wow.
I know, I grip, but like, it's fine.
Yeah. Look at those muscles. You getting tired, Abby?
No, I'm alright.
You ready to keep hiking? You want to do another one?
I'm just bloated.
Loaded.
Yeah, I don't know why.
We're at Kings Bluff. It's really pretty.
Woohoo!
Camera's about to die, so we gotta hurry up.
Yep.
Wow. Look at that. You want me just to hold it?
No.
I can just hold it right here and I won't look at it. Well, babe, we did it. We did family vacation.
We did it.
It was a blast. I really liked Falling Waterfalls. That was beautiful. It was fun doing that. It was fun doing backflips into the water.
It was a really refreshing trip.
Extremely refreshing. a lot more than I expected. I did not expect it to be that beautiful. Now we're on our way back to Quincy, Illinois, and then we're headed to Springfield, Missouri, back for school here soon.
Should be fun.